To start this project, you'll first need 4 sketches that are really refined and nicely done of 4 popular culture symbols that you guys choose. After completing your 4 sketches, go back and sketch more symbols that relate back to the aspects of popular culture that you chose. For example, I chose Avatar: The Last Airbender, Phineas and Ferb, SpongeBob, and Louis Vuitton. Now that you've completed an artistic investigation of an aspect of popular culture, we're going to learn how to abstract and organize the images you drew in a unique composition, just like Timmy Sneaks does in his artwork. So what you're going to do is grab a ruler, and we're going to start making some lines that intersect, overlap, and cross over each other to create these little sections of our paper. Within these sections are going to be different little windows in which we draw different parts of our popular culture object. So now that you've separated your page into several different parts using those lines, you're going to start treating each of those shapes as a separate space. And you're going to pretend the lines are barriers that transport your drawing and your hand to another shape. So I'm going to start drawing my first image. You'll notice when my pencil gets to the line, I'm going to pick up my hand and I'm going to turn over my sketchbook, and I'm going to continue drawing that same image onto a new shape, continuing the drawing that I was doing before. Remember to draw nice and large so that the drawing will fill up each space. And then feel free to go back, turn the page back over, and then refinish some details from that beginning of your drawing. This type of drawing will help us break up our images into different parts that are scattered and repeated around our page. Continue to draw the rest of the images you sketched before into the spaces using the same technique that I just showed you guys. So notice how I'm turning my page upside down, turning it back, making sure that all of my images are going different directions to make for an interesting composition. And also notice that again, I'm drawing nice and big to fill up the spaces. And I'm also adding in some of the symbols that I brainstormed after my original sketches. Keep drawing until you've filled every shape with images and designs. You guys can feel free to add in symbols from popular culture that maybe are popping into your head right now and that you didn't sketch before. And you can even start to fill in those empty spaces that are left over. You can even start to overlap images over each other and go back and extend lines from images you already drew, just to connect everything together and create a pathway for the viewer's eyes to follow through your artwork. And definitely don't be afraid to go off the page.